Good afternoon, guys. So I want to sort some clothes here. I have Gigi's clothes and I have this bag here. I want to put Gigi's clothes that he's not wearing in this bag because everything is spreaded everywhere, like everything is everywhere. So I want to sort these clothes that Gigi is wearing like all the time and the clothes that he's not wearing all the time, because I have a lot. I have a lot of, you know, when you're looking for something and you can't truly get it. Yeah, so these are the clothes that I cleaned yesterday. I'm trying to sort them. They are cold. It's raining here, like serious raining. So I want to sort them out very fast. I want to sort them out very fast and then go take a shower. I want to go to CBD. Yeah, I want to go to town. I want to go and pick my mom and come home with her because I'm bored at home alone. So yeah, so let me finish this first and then take a shower, dress. Guys, it's raining. Like the rain is big. It's raining. I even don't know how I will go because my sister is not around. She went to work, so I don't know, but I want to go out and pick my mom, yeah, and get some stuff for dinner and come prepare dinner. So that's what I want to do. So guys, let me do faster and see what will happen. Guys, I'm done with taking shower. I feel so relaxed and refreshed. Wow. Yeah. So I have taken a bath. I've finally taken a shower, done with folding the clothes. Now I'm just here wondering what to do. It's raining so hard. Like the rain is not stopping. It has been raining since 1. And I'm like, how will I even manage to go out? Like seriously? Let me show you. Maybe if you're able to see the rain. I don't know. Can you see the rain? But it's raining. Okay. I don't know if you're seeing the rain. Yeah. So it's raining so hard. Like it's the non-stop kind of rain. I was about to say lane. Yeah, so let me give it a few minutes, like 30 minutes, and then I'll get out. So let's see what we can do inside as we wait. I don't know, but I'm feeling good because there's nothing that is pushing me to go out so much apart from picking my mom. Even if it rains, I'm okay. But now I have to go and open the gate. I'd forgotten about that. I have to go and open the gate for my mom, and then I don't know. Let me just see. Let me give it 30 minutes. If it doesn't stop raining, then I will head out, go pick my mom. Or maybe I'll call her and open the gate for her. So let me just be home. But then guys, the last time I was here, we played that. Oh, it's still there. But now, these things got spoiled. Like, these things got spoiled. So we only have this one standing. This one is just this that has fallen out, but not the rest are broken. Like all of them, they are broken. So we only have those sharp darts thing. I don't know what they are called. Like these arrows, they are all broken. They are completely broken. They can't be fixed. So I don't know. We were planning to get some more of. I have put a cup of uji. I want to take some uji. Very nutritious. Very nutritious. Oh, yeah. I want to take the porridge and then I head out to go. Then I go out as I've said. So I'm just finishing the uji and then hold my hair well, put it up well, and then I leave. See you as I go out. So I'm walking. at town. I'm going to pick my mom. And that's how it looks. So I'm feeling good walking in the village. Like, wow, it's long. I think the last time I walked around here was way before, like, what, 2016? Yeah. That's the situation. This road is half done. So here we are. It's not yet tarmacked, but a little bit ahead there is tarmac. Whew. Feels good to walk around and you meet with your classmates. We used to school with them in class 4. Life was so good and funny, so I enjoyed it very well. So those are my classmates. I'm about to reach the town, and I don't know if this place people snatch phones. So let me put it in the phone. I'll show you later. I'm at my mom's shop. I'm here at my mom's shop. I'm waiting for her so that we go home. And finally it stopped raining. Yeah, so I'm waiting for her so that we go home together and catch up with stories. We are aging. When we were kids, we couldn't come and pick our parents from work. Like, who was the authority to come and pick your parents from work? But now we do. I'm happy.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. To be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from left. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. Been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else. Get you out of my head, you can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up